Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Kia Niro 64.8kWh 4. This vehicle is an electric automatic, is ULEZ compliant. As well as this, the vehicle has a range of up to 285 miles and is capable of rapid charging from 20 to 80% within 50 minutes. To start off with, then, you have your dual LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 17-inch 5-split spoke alloy wheels with a black finish really complementing against the white exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, allowing you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic tailgate, and once open you can find that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black and grey leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest for either passenger, or you could fold it away to carry that extra passenger. As well as this, the rear seats are also heated. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and once again you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. The driver's seat in this vehicle is in fact electronically adjustable, and as well as this, it is also a memory seat as well, allowing you to find a comfortable position and then save it. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the vehicle, giving the cabin a nice light feel. You have the upgraded Harmon and Kardon sound system, helping to enhance your listening experience on any journey you may take. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, cruise control, as well as your drive mode button, including Eco, Sport, as well as Normal. On your digital dash, you are able to see that this vehicle has done 9,042 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. This vehicle also features head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your Kia infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet the safest route possible to those new destinations. Along with this, you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity via USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. And of course, you also have your rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and the airflow direction. You also have a USB and USB-C port, allowing you to connect external media devices to the vehicle, and as well as this, you also have a wireless charging pad. The front seats in this vehicle are heated, as well as being ventilated, ideal for both those cold winter months and the hot summer months. This has been a presentation on a Kia Niro 64.8kWh 4 that has a range of up to 285 miles. This vehicle is available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. Please contact our sales team to find out more.